two leading accounting tools trusted by businesses worldwide, but if you had to pick just one, which truly stands out. On one side, FreshBooks, known for simplicity and support. On the other, FreeAgent, famous for automation and features. We're comparing them head-to-head in key areas, features, usability, pricing, integrations, and real-world performance. Forget the marketing talk. We're focusing on what actually matters for running your business. We'll award points in every round, so by the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out on top. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, here's our battle plan. We're looking at price, how well each one works if you've got clients or business in other countries, the feature set, how easy it actually feels to use, integrations, basically, does it play nice with other apps, and finally, how well it handles UK accounting stuff, tax returns, VAT, all that spicy admin. Okay, let's do this. Alright, let's kick off with price. So, FreshBooks. Look, they will give you a free plan if you're one of their certified partners, and there's usually a discount floating around if you're signing up fresh. But honestly, those regular monthly plans, they're definitely not the cheapest, and there's no totally free tier unless you're a partner. Now, FreeAgent does something I actually love. One clear price for everyone, no tiers, no games. Plus, if you bank with NatWest, RBS, or Ulster, it's free. Also, their annual plan, just cheaper overall. You don't get a free plan as a norm, but man, that one transparent price, super chill. So FreeAgent's got an edge on this one. Now for global use. If you're working with clients all over, or maybe you're one of those digital nomad types, FreshBooks is, just way more flexible. Multi-currency invoicing genuinely used around the world. Sure, their VAT stuff isn't as deep as FreeAgent's, but for most, that flexibility is golden. Meanwhile, FreeAgent is kinda laser focused on the UK, with all the rules and compliance nailed. But honestly, if you're outside the UK or you have international money coming in, don't expect much. I think FreshBooks wins here easy. Features. So both are actually sneaky powerful, even if they look simple at first glance. FreshBooks, killer for quick invoices, lets you fire off payment reminders automatically, plus it tracks mileage and basic expenses. Totally the right fit if freelancing is your thing. Downside, if you need mega advanced accounting, it's a bit basic. Now, FreeAgent brings that heavier artillery, full double entry accounting, payroll, self-assessment filing, bank feeds that just work. But the UI? Not quite as modern. Kind of a learning curve if you've never done accounting before. So I'd actually call this one a tie. It depends what you really want out of it. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know FreshBooks actually started because the founders accidentally deleted a client's invoice? That was the entire spark for building a tool that, doesn't do that. Pretty wild backstory, right? Ease of use. Okay, so FreshBooks is clearly built for people who hate admin. The interface is nice, it just makes sense, the mobile app is genuinely good. Not perfect, project tools are kinda basic, but for daily work, yeah. FreeAgent is clean, and a UK accountant will be super at home, but honestly, the interface can feel like, a time machine back a few years, and you're doing more clicks for simple stuff than you probably need to. FreshBooks wins here for me. Right, quick pit stop on integrations. If you need FreshBooks to talk to your other apps, Stripe, Gusto, Zapier, whatever, it's so ready. Massive ecosystem. Only hitches. If you want those really slick direct UK bank feeds, you may need a plugin. FreeAgent flips this. Direct feeds for all the big UK banks. But if you want to connect to random third-party stuff, you're gonna hit a wall. So for overall integrations, honestly, that FreshBooks ecosystem is hard to beat. UK accounting. This is like FreeAgent's home turf. It's fully loaded for UK businesses, direct tax filing to HMRC, VAT returns, ready for all the making tax digital fun, and it even handles self-assessment. FreshBooks? You get VAT tracking, which is nice, but if you need UK tax returns done automatically, that's a nope. So if you're based in the UK, FreeAgent kind of destroys here. So, let's quickly stack up everything side by side: price, global reach, features, ease of use, integrations, UK-focused accounting. You can really see where each one has its sweet spots. If you're a global freelancer, contractor, or your team isn't locked to the UK, FreshBooks is honestly just an easier ride. But if you actually care about proper UK tax, payroll, all the HMRC compliance, FreeAgent is built for you. So for this showdown, FreeAgent takes the crown, at least for UK business owners. If you found this helpful, you know what to do. Hit subscribe and stick around for our next big software showdown.